The Sterisil straw is available in several versions. The amount of water that a straw can treat depends on the level of total dissolved solids in the source water. The average dental practice will use 240 liters of treated water per dental operatory each year. For optimal straw performance, source water for the S90 or the S365 should read 100 parts per million or less on a total dissolved solids meter. Source water for the S90M or S365M should read over 100 parts per million on a TDS meter. For a new installation of a straw filter, begin by removing the existing pickup tube from the operatory chair. Make a small slit using a utility knife or a scalpel where the tubing is attached to the operatory unit. This step can be challenging, so be careful not to pull too hard on the tubing as it may damage the barb fitting. Now, open the Sterisil straw box and note the warranty card and directions. Please take time to return the warranty, either by mail or online. Remove the straw filter and blue tube from the box. Using new gloves, remove the straw from the wrapper and disinfect both parts. Push the Sterisil straw onto the blue tubing until you feel a slight click. The straw will not function properly if the Sterisil straw is not pushed all the way onto the tubing. This 1/4-inch dental water tubing is stiffer than normal dental water lines to allow for a tighter seal with the Sterisil straw. Cut the blue tubing to ensure that the bottom of the Sterisil straw sits 1/4 inch from the bottom of the bottle. Next, install the blue tubing provided with the Sterisil straw onto the barb. Once the tubing is in place, it can be used year after year. You may also be replacing your existing bottle with a Sterisil bio-free antimicrobial bottle at this time. Attach the bottle to the chair with the Sterisil straw installed. The final step is to shock the system. Purge handpieces and all other water lines into a small container until you see the blue colorant come through. Stop water flow once you see the blue color. This indicates that the shock treatment is in the lines. Repeat this step for each dental water line. Then allow the shock treatment to stay in the lines overnight or preferably over the weekend. When you return the next business day, fill the bottle, leaving an airspace of at least 1 inch from the top of the bottle. Make sure not to overfill the bottle. Proper airflow is necessary to ensure proper pressurization. Then, purge all water lines and handpieces attached to the operatory unit until the water runs clear. You now have year-long treatment of your water lines. The Sterisil straw is designed to continuously disinfect to 10 colony-forming units per milliliter HPC purity, which is 50 times below the registered EPA, ADA, and CDC limits for up to 365 days.